Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve ground truth question which was asked today, that means 29th of July 2023, and we are going to solve the complete paper which was asked in today's examination. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end. One more thing, friends, many of you had applied for ground truth and the examination is scheduled today and tomorrow. So this video is definitely going to help you to understand that what kind of questions has been asked in today's examination. Now, so let us start with question number 1. So friends, a rectangular field has a length twice its width. The perimeter of the field is 60 meter. What is the area of the field? Now friends, this question will hardly take 30 seconds, but I am going to explain you here, so it might take some more time for me. Now, so friends, if we will talk about a rectangle, then a rectangle will be having length and breadth. Okay. Now, and what is the perimeter of a rectangle? So perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 into L plus B. Okay. So this is what information you should know. Now, friends, so they are telling a rectangular field has length twice its width. So length is nothing but 2 times of its width, right? So L is nothing but equal to 2B. That is what has been told in the question. I will write down here. Now we have to calculate the perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but 2 into L. L is nothing but 2B and plus B. And in the question they have given perimeter is equals to 60, right? So 60 is equals to 2 into 3B, right? So 60 is nothing but equal to 6B. So B will become equal to 10 here, right? So the value of B is nothing but equal to 10 here, right? So B will 10 and L will become 2 into 10, that means 20. Now what has been asked to you? So what is the area of the field? So area of rectangle will be nothing but length into breadth. That means 20 into 10. That means 20 into 10. That is nothing but 200 and it's given in meter. So 200 meter square. That means option C will become the correct answer for this particular question. Now, sir, you said that this question can be solved in 30 seconds. Can you please show me? Yes, I will show you, because now you know. So what is perimeter of rectangle? Now you know what is area of rectangle, right? Okay, now, so let us see how can we solve in 30 seconds. So the perimeter of the field is 60 meter. Perimeter is nothing but length, breadth, 2 into length plus breadth, right? Length is 2 times of the breadth. So perimeter is equals to 2 into 2b plus b, that is nothing but 3b. So 6 cancel, b is equals to 10. So b is 10 and L is equals to 20. So area will become 20 into 10, that is nothing but 200 meter square, right? So if you have the idea of what is perimeter, what is area, then you will be easily able to solve in the 30 seconds of the time. Now, friend, question number 2. Question number 2 is a very, very easy question. A car travels a distance of 240 kilometer with an average speed of 60 kilometer per hour. How many hours did the car travel? Now, friends, one thing you have to understand. So speed is 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour means in 1 hour you are traveling 60 kilometer. See, this is the meaning of 60 kilometer per hour. That means in 1 hour you are traveling 60 kilometer. Now the person traveled a total 240 kilometer. So definitely 240 kilometer, and in 1 hour 60 kilometers. So definitely it will take 4 hours. So option A will become the correct answer. I have not used any formula. 60 kilometer per hour means in 1 hour the car is traveling 60 kilometer. So 240 kilometer, that means 4 hours it will take. So 4 hours will be the answer. Now many of you will use the formula. So distance is equals to speed into time. Distance is 240, speed is 60 into time. So time will be nothing but 240 by 60. That means 4 hours, right? So friends, it's up to you, right? So it's up to you how you solve the questions in the examination, right? But I always try that we should not use formula in the examination. Okay. Now, question number 3. So question number 3 is again a very simple question. Friends, it's not simple basically, but the way we are going to solve the question will make the problem very, very easy. A water tank can be filled by 2 pipes. So here 6 4 6 4 is 12. 6 2 ja 4 3 ja 12 by 5 2.4. So 30 seconds is more than sufficient. Even you can just look at the question and you will be able to solve it. But anyway, let us understand in detail. So a water tank is there and 2 pipes. Okay, so pipe 1 and pipe 2 is filling the tank. Right now, pipe 1 can fill the tank in 6 hours, and pipe B, so basically A and B, and pipe B will be able to fill the tank in 4 hours. Right now, how long it take to fill the tank if both pipes are open simultaneously? So friends, I use LCM method, right? See, many of you will be using 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4, right? So all those things you will be using it, right? So 6 and 4 now. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 12, or you take a number which is divisible by both, and that will become the total capacity of our tank. Now 12 by 6 will be 2, 12 by 4 will be 3. Okay, now that means pipe 1 can fill 2 liter in 1 hour, and pipe B can fill 3 liter in 1 hour. Now total is 12 liter, and pipe A in 1 hour 2 liter, and pipe B in 1 hour 3 liter. So both together will be able to fill 5 liter. Total is 12. So 12 by 5, and it will be nothing but here 2.4, right? 2.4. So this will become the answer. Now many of you might use this formula. So PA into PB and divided by PA plus PB. So this formula also you can use here. 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 4. So 24 by 10, that is nothing but, so 12 by 5, right? So 12 by 5 is nothing but 2.4 hours. Friends, there are multiple ways to solve the problem. The only thing is you have to understand, and then you will be able to solve the problems in your mind itself. So basic, you have to work on your basics. Now we will start with abstract reasoning, friends. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that any company preparation videos, hiring videos, internship videos, everything together you will be getting on only one channel, online study for you. So subscribe right now, friends, at least for our effort. And friends, second thing, see, if you wanted to crack aptitude and reasoning any of the exam, like Accenture, DXC Technology, TCS Digital, right? Any of the company, then you should and must join this workshop. So this is 2 weeks workshop just for 199 rupees, friends. See, per day it will be around 20 rupees, and you know, one tea will cost you nowadays 20 rupees. So one tea, if you are not having one day, you will be able to learn a lot of problems. So we are going to solve 200 plus aptitude and reasoning question. Okay, so we are going to solve 200 plus aptitude and reasoning question asked in the previous examination of different companies. So you will be getting your overall idea, like, okay, what kind of questions will be asked to you in the examination. Basic to advanced level, anyone will be able to understand, that's my promise. Okay, and friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you, so recording will be available on daily basis. Okay, so if you miss the classes, you will be getting the recording, no problem at all. You can watch on mobile as well as laptop. So enroll right now, the link is given in description, and the price will again increase after 50 registration. Okay, now, so friends, question number 4. So see you all in the classes which is going to start from 1st of August. So it is going to start from 1st of August. Now, so friends, here, so basically we have to find this missing number here, right? Okay, so what we can analyze here is, so friends, you see, so here circle is inside the square, triangle is inside the square, right? Okay, now then triangle is above square and circle is above square, then again this and then again this, right? Now we will try to analyze, we have to find the logic. So these two diagrams look similar. Okay, now what is happening, so in first diagram, right, so circle is inside, and in the third diagram circle is outside. In this diagram, right, so triangle is inside, and here triangle is outside and square is inside, right? So first and third are related to each other. In the similar way, second and fourth will be, in the similar way second and fourth will be, it will be similar in some way. Now, so here you see, so a square, on top of the square we have triangle. So right here we can see, so now triangle is bigger and a square is smaller. So here again same thing. So on top of a square we have circle. So now circle will become bigger and a square will be on top of that, right? So we have option 3, and option 3 will become the correct answer. So basically we have to analyze and then we have to solve. So here you should have marked that third will be the correct answer, right? Okay, now friends, question number 5. So question number 5 is very easy, no problem at all, right? So basically if we'll try to analyze, friends, so this turn is 45-degree turn clockwise, right? So let us do one thing. So let us try to make one diagram here. Okay, now, so right now we have this. Okay, and then we have this, that means 45-degree turn. Okay, and then again we have this, that means 45-degree turn, and then again we have this, that means 45-degree turn, and then again we have this, that means 45-degree turn. Okay, and then again we have this, that means 45-degree turn, and next will be nothing but again 45-degree turn, means we will be having this particular, symbol, right? So this is what we have to search, and it is nothing but option 2. So option 2 will become the correct answer, right? So basically there is a movement of 45-degree. Now question number 6 we will try to analyze. So friends, all these questions, right, comes under abstract reasoning. So this comes under abstract reasoning. Okay, now so friends, here we have B, right, and B, and then it is opposite of that, and then again opposite of that, and then again opposite, right? So first letter is, say, B, the opposite, then again opposite, and then again opposite, right? So first letter is again opposite, opposite, opposite. Now second letter, so second letter and this is same, right? Okay, and then it got changed, and then again it is same, right? So two letter same, two letter same. Try to see, in the first one we have like B, and then this, and then again this, and then again this. You try to analyze the pattern. Then second BB, and then opposite, and then opposite, right? Okay, now so in third what is happening, so we have this, okay, and then we have this. So in third basically, right, so becoming opposite, and then it is becoming opposite, so next also it will become opposite, right? So we will be having this here. Okay, now next fourth one we will try to analyze. So we have opposite of B, and then again we have correct B, then again we have opposite of B, then again we will be having correct B. So basically BB is required. BB means option 3 will become the correct answer, right? So this is how you have to analyze in abstract reasoning. So if you do some practice, all the problems will become easier to you. Don't worry about that, friends. Anyway, ground truth problem was easy. The only thing which I felt is some of the question answers are wrong. Some of the questions answers are wrong. We will discuss at the end. So definitely they should give the bonus marks for that. Now this question basically they're asking, right, so we have to fill it here. Okay, so that is not visible correctly. Anyway, we have to analyze and we have to fill it. Okay, so friends, if you'll try to see, so this first and the last, okay, the first and the last series, okay, so here these things are rotated. Now we have circle, circle, we have triangle, we have triangle. So what is, and we have this, we have this. So what is missing? So a square is missing. Now so you find it out, where is this square at least. So this diagram is not the correct answer, so either A, B or C. Okay, now okay, next friends, so definitely this and this will be compared. So triangle, I mean this quadrilateral, and this is there, and then this square is there. So definitely this 2 has to be there here, right? So this 2 has to be there. So now look at where it is there. So this 2 is in option B. So option, no, so this is there and this is there. Now we are looking for this 2. Okay, so this 2 is, yes, so this 2 is option B, right? So option B, so option B will become the correct answer, right? Option B will become the correct answer. So here basically, again we will be having this particular figure, and we will be having this dark circle, right? So basically first and fourth diagram is related, and second and third diagrams are related. This is your abstract reasoning. Now friends, what they're telling is, so find out odd one out. So basically here we have to find out odd one out. Okay, odd one out. Now so friends, this if you'll see, so we have 3 with blank and 2 with dark. Okay, now so here again 3 blank and 2 dark, and then again here if you'll see 3 blank and 2 dark, here 3 blank and 2 dark. Okay, now here if you'll see, so we have 3 dark, so this is nothing but odd one out. This is nothing but odd one out. So you had to mark the answer that option C will be the correct answer, right? So odd one out. Friends, for one question there might be some other logic as well, but at the end your answer has to be same. Now friends, question number 9. So if you try to see what is happening here, so here this and this is clear, right? So this is like opposite, this and this is like opposite, right? This particular section we have 2 dark, so definitely here we will be having, then definitely here we will be having 2 open, right? So 2 open. Okay, so 2 open will be there. Okay, so this is clear, right? So this is clear anyway. So only option D we can eliminate. Okay, now friends, if we'll try to see, so here we have two boxes, right? So one and two. Here we have two boxes. So one is shifted in the corner and this is shifted here. Now, so friends, here also we should have two box and one and two. So one will be shifted here and one will be shifted here, right? So basically here we should be having two open boxes. So here we should be having two open boxes. So where is the two open boxes? So two open boxes is this option C. So option C will become the correct answer, right? So friends, see, basically, you might think in a different way, right? But the logic should be completed, right? So you should have a proper logic to solve the question. Okay, now friends, next problem, question number 10. So question number 10, LCM of a number is 180. Actually, you can see LCM of basically LCM of two numbers is, I'm sorry. So LCM of two numbers is 180 and their HCF is 12. If one of the number is 36, then what is the other number? Friends, it again based on the formula. So LCM into HCF will be equal to product of two numbers, right? Product of two numbers. So this is formula, but if you want, I will explain you also, don't worry. Okay, now, so friends, suppose if you are taking LCM of 2 and 4, right? So LCM of 2 and 4 will be what? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So LCM will become 4 here, right? And what is SCF? So SCF of this number will become, so 2, right? So 2 into 1 and 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. So what is the maximum common value here? So maximum common value here is 2. So SCF will become 2. Now, so friends, if we'll multiply LCM into HCF, what we will get? So 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. That means the product of two numbers, right? Two numbers we had taken 2, 4. So product of two numbers. So LCM into HCF will be product of two numbers. Now, LCM is 180 and HCF is 12 and product of two number. So one number is 36, another number we will assume X. Now 12 threes are and 360 times. So the answer, that means the other number, what is the other number? So other number is nothing but 60. 60 will become the answer. Actually, this was, the options were not available. So what I did is, I have written all the available options here, right? Okay. Now, friends, once again, I wanted to tell you. So see, in this aptitude and reasoning, 2 weeks of the workshop, you are going to learn a lot of things. So I request all of you to join this. Okay, the link is in description. So all basic to advanced level, I will teach you 200 plus aptitude and reasoning questions we will do, and the price is very much nominal, 199 rupees, friends. Okay, and recordings will be available. I will be only taking your classes. Lot of shortcut techniques also we will see. Now, question number 11. So a company produces electronics devices with a defect rate of 100. Now, so friends, suppose a company is producing total 100 items. Sir, what is your problem? I will always see that you will assume the values. Okay, how can you assume 100? How can you assume 200? So friends, in my every session I will tell, if your options is given in terms of percentage, if your options are given in terms of percentage, then you are free to assume any value: 100, 200, 300, 500, 1 crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. The only thing which you have to keep in mind that, okay, the only thing, friends, which you have to keep in mind, that if your options would be in the terms of percentage, and if you're taking 100, your problem will become very, very simple. So a company produces electronics devices with a defect rate of 5%, right? So only 5 items were defected, right? Okay, now they implement a new quality control system that reduces the defect to 2%. So 2% is nothing but, now out of 100 items only 2 will be defected. So by what percentage this the defect rate decreased, right? So from 5, what is the decrement? 3, right? So from 5 now it became 2. So what is, how many numbers is decreased? 3, right? From where? From 5. And if we have to calculate percentage, multiply by 100. Try to understand. Now the defect is less by 3. Okay, from where? From 5. Earlier 5 was there, now it is only 2. So 3 is reduced. Okay, now, so this, if you have to calculate percentage, 520 times 20 into 3 will be 60%. So there is 60% reduction in the defect control, defect rate. Okay, now friend, question number 12, options are wrong. Okay, options are wrong. So this is definitely will be a bonus question. Okay, so you will be getting bonus marks for this. And now you might tell, no sir, options are correct. Okay, you are doing the sum wrongly. My dear friends, See, maths is one subject where logic works, not what you say or I say. Okay, I will solve and I will prove that the options are wrong. Okay, now, so friends, a sum of money amounts to rupees 8,000 in 4 years, right? So you are putting some money on investment, it is becoming 8,000 in 4 years, and 10,000 and 10,000 in 6 years. Okay, at simple interest question will become easy. So basically you have to find a rate of interest. Now I want to ask you one question, friends. 8,000 is becoming 10,000. How? Some magic is happening. Some magic is happening. No, definitely you are getting interest, right? So you are getting interest. So basically in 2 years, right? So basically in 2 years, right? How much interest you are getting? 10 minus 8 is nothing but 2,000 rupees. So in 2 years you are getting an interest of 2,000 rupees. So 1 year you will be getting the interest of 1,000 rupees, right? So this should be very, very clear to you, right? Okay, now, so friends, now we will try to analyze. So you are investing some money, it is becoming 8,000 rupees in 4 years, right? Okay, 8,000 rupees in 4 years. So amount will be equal to what? Principal plus simple interest, right? So it is becoming 8,000 rupees. We have to calculate principal. And what is your interest? See, per year it is 1,000 rupees. Now you invested for 4 years. So every year you are getting 1,000 rupees interest. So in 4 years you would have got 4,000 rupees interest. So what is principal? Principal is 8,000 minus 4,000 is equals to 4,000. So 4,000 rupees was the principal. Now you have to calculate the rate. So principal you got 4,000. Okay. Okay. And then simple interest, right? Simple interest is what? 1,000 rupees. Here we have got, right? So 1 year interest is nothing but 10,000. So simple interest is 1,000 rupees, right? Okay. And then time is 1 year. We have to calculate the rate. So rate, so simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest is 1,000. Principal is 4,000. Rate we have to calculate. Time is 1 year divided by 100. 2020 cancel. 1010 cancel. 425 times. So rate will be equal to 25%. And that option has not been given. And that's why I said it is a bonus question. Now, sir, you are saying bonus question, but what you have solved wrongly, I will prove it, don't worry. Okay, because as I said, maths is based on logic. Okay, maths is based on logic. So if you will say I will not accept, if I will say you should not accept, so if the logic is not correct. Okay, now, so whatever options we have got, we will try to understand from that. Okay, now, so sir, principally you are saying 4,000, rate you are saying 25%. Okay, and in 4 years you tell me that it will become 8,000. I will see in 10 years, in in another 4 years it will become 8,000. You saw me. Okay, no problem. So simple interest will become 4,000 into rate is 25%, time is 4 divided by 100. So done. And 25 into 4 will be 100. So 1,000 into 4, 4,000 rupees, right? So simple interest is 4,000 and principal is 4,000. So your amount will become 4 plus 4, that is nothing but 8,000. Yes, sir. Your logic is now correct, right? Even they are telling that in 4 years it is becoming 8,000 and in 6 years it is becoming 10,000. So you saw me in 6 year also. No problem, man. That is what my job is. Don't worry. Okay. So rate is 25% and we will see in 6 years how much it is becoming. So SI will be equal to principal 4,000 into 25 into 6 divided by 100. 2020 cancel. 25 into 4 is 100. 1,000 into 6 is 6,000 rupees, right? So you invested 4,000. Okay. So amount after 6 years. So after 6 years, he was getting 6,000 interest and 4,000 your principal. It is becoming 10,000. Yes, sir. So your answer is correct. And now I can trust that the option given in the exam is wrong and we should be getting one bonus marks. So that kind of confidence you should have to make or to mark the question wrong in the exam or wherever you are solving. That is what confidence I want to build in you if you attend my classes. Okay. Now, next question. Next question also option is wrong. Okay. Let us see how. Friends, in a bag, see logic, everything revolves around logic. Maths is logic. It's not English. It's not grammar. So in a bag, there are 5 red balls, 4 green balls, and 3 blue balls. If a ball is drawn at random, what is the probability of getting a green ball? So what is formula of probability? NE divided by NS. Okay, maths has formula, maths has logic. So NS is total outcome. NS is total outcome, and NE is favorable outcome. Means what you want in your favor, favorable outcome. Okay, fine. Now, friends, so total outcome is what? So total we have 5 plus 4 plus 3. Total we have 12 balls. Okay, total we have 12 balls, and you are going to take one ball out. Okay, now you want, what is the probability of getting a green ball? You want a green ball. See, if you want a green ball, you take from green. See, if you want to eat rice, then you take from rice. No, if you want to eat rice, and now you are taking from wheat. Okay, you are taking from wheat, right? So definitely, you, if you want rice, you take from rice. If you want green, you take from green. One green ball, 4C1. See, anyway, NC1 will be N only. Okay, NC1 will be N. So 4C1 is 4, and this is 12C1 will be 12. If you have to calculate percentage, multiplied by 100, 4 threes are, and this is 33.33 percentage. But they have given option 20%, 30%, 40 and 50, which is not correct. But anyway, for timing, you can mark 30%. Anyway, the options are wrong because 30% and 33% is different, right? 30% and 33% is different. Okay, so there are, see, not only these two questions with mistake I have took here, but I realize that there are many questions where the mistakes were there in the questions. Okay, and all the mistakes I have given you with the logic. So this particular video will give you a lot of idea about this ground truth exam where the answers are false. Okay, thank you, take care, all the very, very best. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe, like, share with your friends, and we will be coming up with more tricks with more company papers. Thank you.